Good Monday, marketing students. This is Mrs. Lamphere. We're going to look at some week 2 announcements. First, looking at some things from last week. So by now you should have gone through all of section 1, having your study questions, your quiz, and your assignment all submitted. And if you did that, along with the video assignment, class picture, and intro K-mail, you made the All-Star banner. Woohoo! So hopefully we can get a few more students on this for next week. But yeah, if you complete all the assignments that are due that week, your name will make the All-Star banner. So this week you should be looking at section 2. Hopefully you started on that by Friday. Keep in mind that you do not submit study questions until you have all the lessons completed. So a couple of you submitted questions just after the first lesson. And that's fine. Just go ahead and complete the rest of them and then resubmit it, and you will get more points for that. Then we'll be looking at section 2 at Class Connect on Tuesday, and then we'll look at starting section 3 on the Class Connect during Thursday. So be sure to attend both of those, and if you can't, make sure you check out the recordings. We do go over the assignment from section 1 in our recording from last week. So if you're having any questions over that, be sure to watch the recorded Class Connect session. What else? Oh, just a reminder, in our Class Connect, we did also go over the quiz limitations. So I do let you retake quizzes, but you can only retake up to 3 throughout the course. So keep that in mind. If you want to retake a quiz, you have to send me a K-mail and ask me to reset it for you. Make sure you're specific, because a lot of you are in both classes, so entrepreneurship and marketing. So let me know what class you're referring to and what quiz it is that you want me to reset for you, and I will mark that down and have that reset for you. But just keep in mind that you can only retake 3 quizzes throughout the course. What else do I have? A reminder too that in the study questions and the assignment points, you'll notice that in the grade book, all the points have been doubled. So keep that in mind when I go to grade your assignments, that if I take 2 points off for you missing this question about what a commodity is, just keep in mind the points are doubled. So even though you're seeing 1 point and I take 2 points off, yeah, they've been doubled, so don't freak out about that. Other than that, I think that's about it. Just keep in mind when you're K-mailing me, they need to be in that business format. And if you forget what that looks like, I have the sample here. So if you send me a K-mail and you have misspelled words and it's not formatted correctly, I'll probably send it back to you and say try it again before I respond to your question. And thank you to those who have gotten your class picture in. I love logging in and seeing your smiling faces looking back at me. So if you haven't yet, please get those in, and so we can have a full class picture there. And I think that's all I have for you for week 2. Remember, if you need to get a hold of me, you can use the chat box here, or K-mail, or phone call if you have any questions. If not, we'll see you at class on Tuesday.